prove sine squared x over 2 times cosine squared x over 2 equals sine squared x over 4. Well, I noticed right off the bat I've got this divided by 2, and when we've discussed that in the past, we've talked about that as being a half angle. So maybe there's an identity there that I can use. Well, it just so happens that the sine squared of x over 2 is the same thing as 1 minus the cosine of x divided by 2 times, now this one over here is going to be the 1 plus the cosine of x divided by 2. And we're not going to do anything with the right-hand side. So now, how can I simplify the left-hand side? It's really not looking like much for me right now, right? So the only thing I really can see to do is I could break apart the numerator to make it a little more simplistic. So that means that I'm saying you're going to get 1/2 minus cosine of x over 2. And then that whole quantity is going to be times 1/2 plus the cosine of x over 2. Oh, hey, now that looks kind of cool. That looks like I could use FOIL on it. And by using FOIL, I know that the middle terms are going to cancel. So I'm going to get 1/2 times 1/2, which is 1/4. And then the inside and the outside are going to cancel. So the last term, when we multiply it together, we get minus cosine squared x over 4. Oh, this is looking pretty cool, right? I'm getting closer. I've got that 4 on the denominator, which is what I'm looking for on the right. So I'm going to put it back together where I get 1 minus cosine squared x over 4. Hey, there's an identity there, and that tells me that the numerator equals to the sine squared of x. I've still got my denominator hanging out. Remember, I draw that arrow to show that I've used it all the way down. I rewrite the right-hand side, and look at that. They are the same. Woohoo! And that's all you have to do.